Welcome to Curry TV. By this appearance, can you guess what I'm going to be doing today? Well, those of you that doesn't know, this is actually a traditional dress for fishermen in India, in Kerala. So the ladies do actually appear like this in front of you when they're selling fish or making fish curry, the traditional way. So here in Portland, we are actually celebrating a seafood fest, you want to say? Yeah, it's a seafood fest. On this episode, we are going to be actually making snow crab in dry roasted coconut. This in our language is called njandu varuthuarachathu. Njandu means snow crab or crab, and varuthuarachathu means it's a dry coconut paste, and that's going to be using for this recipe. This recipe is actually going to be for 100 people. So let's take a look at all the ingredients that we'll be using for this particular dish. In goes my onion. Shallots. Green chili. Nice good 2 heaps full of ginger, two and a half spoonful of garlic, our main hero hasn't entered yet, which is my curry leaves. That's what it gives that authentic Kerala taste. Our dear chefs that we met while we were in India has guided us to so many recipes. Just by talking to them, they inspired us to cook a natural way which can enhance the flavors. So this is actually a dedication to our dear friend Chef Rahul Krishna. Thank you so much, Rahul. Executive Chef. I should give him that title too. I didn't give that title. The restaurant did. If you have watched that video, I think you'll know. He's an expert. I mean, definitely in the seafood area, he's an expert. So, that's cooking away. Onto that, because kids are going to be also enjoying this meal, I don't want it to be too spicy for them. So I'm just adding in whole Thai chilies. If they don't want the flavor, they can actually take it out. That's the idea. The diced Thai chili was just a little bit. That's why I'm adding extra. This is going to take about 4 to 5 minutes. In goes our dry roasted coriander. That was 2 spoonfuls, and this is our dry roasted fennels. Do what you like, okay? Just because this is how we do it, doesn't have to be like that. You can change this recipe around. This is just a Cajun spice that I'm adding. Turmeric powder. Now the crab that we get here is already cooked, boiled, I guess, in their language. So we need all this flavor to mix in well with that. So what we're gonna do is, this is white pepper. I didn't add any red chili yet. Give it a mix, good mix. This is my thickening agent. It's nobody other than our tomato paste. Okay. You see? That is all well incorporated. Now I'm just going to pour in a little bit of tamarind juice. Check your salt at this because I added Cajun seasoning. We don't need to add more salt. Check your salt level. If you want more, please add more. But right now we are going to add in our crab. Thick coconut milk. Okay. You can buy can or you can make it on your own. I'll show you how to make it on your own. But nowadays it's already made, right? Nice thick consistency. Okay. In goes our crab. Okay, slowly, babe. Step.
All those juices.
Yes. There we go.
Yeah, there you go.
Good job. Very good job. Okay.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Now you know who the chef is, right? Do you like to cook?
I like this work.
You like this one?
Yeah.
The mixing?
And mixing and cutting.
Mixing and cutting?
Yeah, that's my job.
I think you also
I won't
like
give
the.
it to anyone.
No, I think you also like the tasting part too, right?
Yeah, I like that.
That's
for
just
sure.
a cherry on top.
Yeah, cherry on top.
Okay, let this simmer. Now that it's well coated, let this simmer on medium to low flame. Okay, it doesn't take much time. Here's our secret agent. This is dry roasted coconut. It's into a fine paste. See how thick it is? That's what I'm going to pour in right now. There's nothing else other than coconut, dry roasted coconut. Okay. Okay, one more mix. And this baby should be done. You know what else we can do to, if you like it with gravy, we can add fish stock into this if you want it nice and full of gravy. Like I said, this is going to be a crowd pleaser. Everybody's going to go try for this. Those who doesn't have any allergies to crab, they will definitely try this. Won't you? I felt that it needed some more gravy, so I added a little bit more fish stock into it. So that was it. And the curry is done. I'm just going to let it boil, come to a full boil, and then turn off the heat. My kids love this. Well, there you go. This is our crab in dry roasted coconut gravy. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for tuning into Curry TV.